Right here in the kitchen, this is updated on concrete countertops. It's got a very rustic look now. Years and years of use. Looks like it's been 3-4 years. And the wife is putting on a new finish. It's going to look like granite when she's done. Going to have epoxy finish on top. It starts out as black. I got to take the faucet out right this second.
Is there still cold on there? Is there anything on there? Oh my god, it hurts. Did you see that? No.
And then after you get that black base coat on, you come in with a gray on the sponge and start stamping. Oh, she's doing a good job on this. She's the paint specialist around here. And here it is, the third color, second one to be sponged on. Almost missed it, it's going so fast. Now if you're wondering, this is what the kit looks like. Comes with everything you need. And we are on the third color. Looking good to me. I guess technically that's the fourth color since there's a base coat of black. That's the third dotted on color. And now the final stage, epoxy is being rolled on. It dried all night. Actually, it's been drying 2 nights, and the island has been drying for 1 night. Final stage is the epoxy. Here's the matching island. There's the tub of epoxy. Won't be long now. Clean up quick. This is what it's looking like as it's drying. I think it's gonna turn out nice.